front from the trailer. Held on by 4 shackles here. Not nice and tight so it doesn't shake off. And 4 of these I can do to drive the header around. This is the field of wheat we're just about to do crop. I'm going to get a good coin out of this one. Spewing, we had to move the header into the paddock a little bit more. But I'm just about to hook it up. We've got the hydraulics up. Header all ready to go. That'll do around the paddock. I'll move the truck. Once it's right, good to go. A little lap around. We're just doing a moisture test to see what the moisture level is. Make sure that it's right and the silos will take it. So, what's the magic number, Dad? 12.
11.1.
Hang on. 11.1%. So she's good to go.
Oh, we did the shovel right out, it's basically empty. Yeah, righto.
Well, that's how everybody communicates via the CB. Trucks, fires, anything like that. If there's a fire, anybody puts it out on the CB, everybody stops what they're doing, far and wide, and comes to help. Here I am sitting in the truck. This is one of the reasons why I didn't like harvesting. Sitting out in the middle of the sun. They're down there doing the header driving. I'm in the paddock. It's friggin' hot. Flies, dusty. Just waiting. And I've got the water truck which is over there. Just in case there's a fire. You need a water truck and you need somebody on standby to be able to go and get the actual truck. Put the fire in.
Hey, don't open till 2 o'clock.
There's a truck over there ready to be filled. And long days these are, long days with plenty of waiting. Harvesting. I don't know whether this is the last one or not. Is it the last one, Dad, or not?
Yep.
It is. Well, proof that it's me, and I haven't crashed it yet, but I better stop and concentrate. Can you see all right? I can see.
Very hard for me to go these days.
Not bad. last of it. The Harden, at least anyway. This is all finished. Got one more paddock to do. Alright viewers, this is it. We've completed the harvesting, we've completed the weekend, we're all done. Here with Joshua. Yep. He made it back from kayaking, uneventful. Well, no, I lied. There was an event and it's cost us $900 today. And that is, his key went missing. So we've searched everywhere. We're suspecting it's the dog, that the dog's taken it and either taken it out at the river or taken it out at home. But yeah, $900 later, there's a tow truck here at the moment, towing the car to Young, keys being delivered from Sydney tomorrow, then have to go to Young and collect the keys. So another fun, packed, expensive weekend financed by Doug O. So this is the end of the season, end of harvesting for Alf Whitty Enterprises. We're going to be currently in negotiations and discussions for whether there's going to be a four-way partnership under the Whitty siblings to take over the harvesting contracting business. Stay tuned for episode 2 if it goes ahead. Goodbye, viewers.